Hello, welcome again to the Stoic Define. I teach you today how to practice the 4 Stoic virtues: temperament, wisdom, courage, and virtue. So, welcome again, guys. Please give this video a like if you guys like it. I'm gonna teach you guys how do you really practice the 4 virtues of wisdom, right? So, there is really a methodology in Stoics, okay? That the 4 virtues, if you practice them into your own life, it's a better way for you. I apply it to my own. So you see this one, this me applying the Stoics into my own. So today I'm gonna teach you them. How do you practice each one of them? Okay, guys. So understanding the 4 Stoic virtues. Okay. Before diving into the practical exercise for cultivating these virtues, it's important to understand that what each of them entails. The 4 virtues, okay, are for you to really fulfill your life. So number 1, wisdom, the art of sound judgment. Wisdom is the ability to make sound judgment based on reason and a good sense. It involves recognizing what is within our control and what is not, and make a decision accordingly. Okay? But also about having a deep understanding of the world around us. It means being open-minded and willing to consider different perspectives before coming to a conclusion. Developing wisdom can help us navigate life's challenges with greater ease and clarity. Okay? So in life you will have challenges, right? And according to the Stoics, you have to focus, okay, on what you can control and on what you can't control, right? Things in life you can control, you can't control, right? So this is number 1, right? Really important. So number 2 is justice, upholding moral integrity. Justice is the principle of behaving in accordance with moral principle and standing up for what is right. It involves treating people fairly and importantly regardless of background or position in society. Justice is not just about how we treat others, but also about how we treat ourselves. It means holding ourselves accountable for our action and taking responsibility for our mistakes. So what it really means in justice, guys, this is the second rule, justice. Justice means that you have to take action accordingly and be mindful about them. So this is justice. Now, the third principle obviously is courage, embracing challenges and overcoming fear. So courage is the ability to really overcome fear. So courage is the ability to face challenges and difficulties with determination and bravery, guys. Okay? Even in the face of fear or adversity, it involves taking calculated risks and standing up for our beliefs, even when it's uncomfortable or unpopular. Courage is about acknowledging fear. So the way to cultivate courage is to step outside of our comfort zone and try new things by taking on challenges that scare us. So basically, guys, I was afraid of speaking to you guys. I had this fear of not being in front of a camera like a long time. Okay? So this is an example. So you guys, do me a favor, click here. Okay? If it really helps you. So, okay, our fourth virtues that is explained is moderation, finding balance in life. So moderation is the principle of finding balance and avoiding extreme. It involves recognizing when we have had enough of something, whether it to be alcohol, moderation, pleasure, but find a healthy balance in our life. So in our life, in moderation, right? Alcohol, I had a period like I was alcoholic, I drank, and this is just an example of moderation, right? So this is like the 4 virtues of the Stoics. So these are the 4 Stoics. Practice this, okay, to be purposeful in life. By developing these virtues, we can achieve a greater sense of inner peace and good with our lives, whether through sensory deprivation, reflective journaling, or community involvement. There are countless ways to exercise these virtues in our life. Okay. So guys, if you guys practice this, it will help you. So these were the 4 virtues. Okay, and this is really a good example, guys. So you really to practice stoicism and really for your own good. So okay, so if you guys like it, click here. These were the 4 virtues, how to practice them.